Thank you, everyone. I will present just some few slides about our prototype related to the based on OMA mobile augmented reality. So let's go for just a very short introduction to the augmented reality paradigm. You see here in this picture that there are some digital content that can be added to a scene that is related to the real world as seen by the, as seen by the real world mediated by an electronic device. Then this scene is enriched by digital content that can be clickable and then enhance the user experience of the user. So in the augmented reality ecosystem, we see the mobile AR enabler in the center with its two entities, the mobile client and the mobile server, that and provide the framework to enable universal access to AR content. Then in this ecosystem, we see also the content provider that can offer that can have a new way to offer its content and information to the users. Then we have the service provider that can build a very attractive new AR services to end user, and then the end user that has a very richer experience through the augmented reality paradigm. So here there are just few main functionalities of the enabler. They are mainly related to the management and delivery of the AR content. So there is functionalities to search for AR targets that are the real object or real point of interest around the user, and then the selection and retrieval of AR content that can be added to the scene to enhance and enrich the experience of the real world. Then there are the delivery mechanisms that are enabled by this the mobile AR that are both pull and push. So search also based on the AR services are also based on push mechanisms. Then feedback and metrics handling, so the collection of some usage information and interaction information related to the end user interaction with the AR content, and this can be used. This kind of information can be used to enhance also the selection of the AR content. Then this is the architecture as specified in version 1.0 of the enabler. So we will see here the two main entities of this architecture: the mobile client on the device side and the mobile server on the network side, and mobile 2 and 3 that are the specified interfaces of this enabler. Mobile 2 is the ones related to the pull mechanism, where the client and server interact to search for content and get back the content to the client, and mobile 3 that is mainly for the push functionalities. And this is the demo scenario that I will show later on the second spot on your left. And this is our prototype that is implemented by Telecom Italia. This is called SEER. And we will show some standard functionalities related to the search of content and the display of this content on the screen. Some grouping functionalities that help the user in selecting the right content and avoid to have a display, overcrowded display, and then some sharing functionality to share experience about this AR content. One of the demo, or one of the prototype that I will show is based on this architecture reference. This is a first release because the prototype, the application is including the mobile client, so it's a native application that is including the mobile client, and the application is interacting with our mobile compliant server through the mobile 2 interface. We have also a second release of our architecture that is nearer to the mobile standard, and you will see here that there is the mobile client that is not anymore included in a native application, but a third parties developers can use the mobile client in their own application to interact with the mobile-enabled platform to build AR application and services. So the augmented reality is a quite new paradigm that can enrich the experience of the reality of the user, and mobile operators can reach users in a dynamic and more entertaining way. So the operators can also provide AR services directly to end users or through the exposure of standard APIs. The focal point, the main functionalities is the focal point for the mobile operators is that can use the mobile standard platform to ensure an access, universal access to AR content through these standardized functionalities related to transport, filtering, and selection of AR content. So that's all. Thank you.